The big build to bring fibre broadband to the UK is complex, and it takes some time for a town or telephone exchange area to be upgraded. Here's how it works in a typical exchange area. The broadband many of us have today travels on copper lines from the telephone exchange, usually via a green roadside cabinet, to your home or business. The first piece of the next generation broadband jigsaw is the installation of fibre to the cabinet, or FTTC technology, which is where fibre optic cable is brought from the telephone exchange building to new green roadside cabinets. From the cabinet, it then travels over the existing copper line into your business or home. Download speeds of up to 80 megabits per second will be possible via this type of connection. In some areas, it will be possible to install another type of cutting-edge technology called Fibre to the Premises, or FTTP. This is the second piece of the jigsaw. Here, fibre is brought directly from the exchange into businesses and homes, bypassing the copper network completely. This will bring even faster download speeds of up to 300 megabits per second. Next will come solutions for exchange-only lines. These connect premises which are very close by, or perhaps much further away, directly to the exchange building. Finally, there will be some places where it will not be possible to install a fibre optic connection. Openreach is trialling alternative technologies to bring faster broadband to these areas, such as wireless, satellite and TV white spaces. Openreach's advanced copper broadband and Ethernet services will also play an important role as they continue to be rolled out across the UK. Crucially, the Openreach access network is open to all communications providers. This provides customers with a choice of service provider, keeping competition high and prices low. In reality, each of the technologies that make up the jigsaw will become available in different areas at different times. Not all of one area will go live on the same day, and not every technology will be used in each area. But when the jigsaw is complete, the UK will have one of the best fibre broadband infrastructures in the world, which will last for decades to come.